You won't believe this! I got completely different results from these 7 laptops, and some of them were downright shocking. After testing over 15 models, I've narrowed it down to the top 7 that are truly worth your money. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which laptop is perfect for your needs, whether it's gaming, work, or school. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. Apple MacBook Air 2025. The MacBook Air 2025 is all about speed and lightness, perfect for anyone who values portability without sacrificing power. Thanks to Apple's new M4 chip, this laptop feels incredibly fluid, whether you're editing videos, juggling multiple apps, or even gaming. And with up to 18 hours of battery life, you can keep working or streaming all day without searching for an outlet. Apple has also integrated Apple Intelligence, its personal AI system that helps you write, organize, and stay productive while keeping your data safe. Combine that with the stunning 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display that supports over 1 billion colors, and everything from movies to documents looks vibrant and crisp. For calls and video meetings, the 12-megapixel center stage camera and spatial audio speakers ensure you both look and sound professional. If you want a sleek, reliable, and powerful everyday laptop that's light as a feather but strong enough for serious tasks, the MacBook Air 2025 is a top contender. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Microsoft Surface 5. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 is designed for style and performance in equal measure. With its sleek build and PixelSense touchscreen, you get a laptop that feels premium and versatile, whether you're taking notes, working on spreadsheets, or enjoying streaming content. The unique 3:2 aspect ratio gives you 18% more vertical screen space, meaning less scrolling and more doing, perfect for productivity. Powered by the Intel Evo platform with Core i5 or i7 processors, it delivers smooth multitasking, letting you handle demanding work apps, streaming, and browsing all at once. Add to that Copilot in Windows 11, Microsoft's AI assistant, and you get a laptop that helps simplify tasks and keep you organized. If you're looking for a modern, professional laptop that balances looks, speed, and everyday usability, the Surface Laptop 5 delivers beautifully. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Nemo N171B. The Nemo N171B is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a powerful, large-screen laptop. Featuring a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display, it's perfect for anyone who values screen real estate for multitasking, streaming, or working on big documents. Narrow bezels and an 85% screen-to-body ratio make the visuals immersive and comfortable. Under the hood, it packs a 12th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, surprisingly efficient for multitasking, beating out several entry-level competitors. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, it ensures fast load times, smooth app switching, and reliable storage for your daily files. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable laptop with a big screen, plenty of RAM, and a modern design, the Nemo N171B is a solid choice. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who wants performance without the hefty price tag. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Apple MacBook Pro 2024. The MacBook Pro 2024 is built for creators, professionals, and anyone who needs serious power. Powered by the M4 chip, it handles demanding apps like Adobe Creative Cloud and video editing software with ease, all while delivering all-day battery life. Its 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is breathtaking, with incredible brightness and contrast that make photos, videos, and graphics pop. If you work with visuals, this display alone sets the MacBook Pro apart. Add in the seamless integration with iPhone, like copy and paste across devices, iPhone mirroring, and FaceTime calls on your Mac, and you get an ecosystem that makes work flow effortlessly. Privacy and productivity are enhanced with Apple Intelligence, ensuring your AI assistant helps you create, organize, and plan without compromising data security. And despite its power, the MacBook Pro is portable, quiet, and efficient, making it great for both the office and travel. If you're a designer, video editor, or just someone who wants a high-end laptop that blends speed, stunning visuals, and long-lasting performance, the MacBook Pro 2024 is hard to beat. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Nemo N177B. The Nemo N177B is a powerhouse laptop designed for performance and longevity. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor with 8 cores and turbo speeds up to 4.9 GHz, it delivers desktop-level power in a sleek, portable body. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or managing heavy workloads, this laptop keeps up with ease. It comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, giving you lightning-fast speeds and massive storage. Plus, the design is upgradable, so you can expand memory or storage in the future. Its 17.3-inch Full HD display with an 85% screen-to-body ratio provides immersive visuals, while the fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard, and precision touchpad add layers of convenience. If you want elite performance for work, gaming, or content creation, the Nemo N177B offers incredible value at its price point, making it one of the best large-screen laptops in 2025. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix G17. The ASUS ROG Strix G17 is a laptop designed for gamers and power users who want raw performance and speed. With its bold design and 300Hz display option, it's built to deliver smooth, lag-free visuals, giving competitive gamers an edge in fast-paced titles. Motion blur is minimized, making every frame sharp and accurate. Powered by an AMD Ryzen CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, this machine is ready for demanding games and creative applications alike. The ROG intelligent cooling system with liquid metal compound and dual fans ensures that even under pressure, the laptop stays cool and quiet. Connectivity is top tier with Wi-Fi 6, multiple USB ports, HDMI 2.0B, and Ethernet for reliable gaming and productivity. Add in customizable RGB lighting with Aura Sync, and you've got a laptop that feels uniquely yours. For gamers and creators who want power, precision, and style, the ASUS ROG Strix G17 is one of the best gaming laptops of its generation. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Microsoft Surface 4. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is a machine that balances performance, design, and everyday usability like few others. With up to 70% more speed thanks to 11th Gen Intel processors, it's built for smooth multitasking, whether you're working, streaming, or browsing. Its slim and elegant design comes in 2 sizes, a portable 13.5-inch or a larger 15-inch, ideal for split-screen productivity. The 720p HD front-facing camera ensures you look professional on video calls, even in low light, while the dual studio mics make sure your voice comes through crystal clear. Entertainment is just as good as work performance, with Omnisonic speakers and Dolby Atmos delivering immersive sound for movies and shows. And with its lightweight design, you can carry it anywhere without feeling weighed down. Now, if you're looking for a laptop that combines professional polish, strong performance, and excellent multimedia features, the Surface Laptop 4 stands out as the most well-rounded choice for most users in 2025. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best laptops you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.